way I cook hard-boiled eggs is
They look perfect.
I put them in the in water, bring them up to a boil, and then once
So you start them in cold water, or you drop them into boiling
start
water?
them in cold water.
Okay.
Okay, and then bring up the water to a boil. Once you're done with that, just take them and put them on the side. Let them sit for exactly 7 minutes.
Okay.
And then put them in an ice bath, and they'll come out
So
perfect
do
every time.
you keep the water boiling, or you
No,
take it
you
off
take
the
it off
heat?
the stove.
Okay.
Yeah, take it off the heat, and then keep it. And then
7 minutes.
7 minutes exactly. And then
Getting
cool
a
down.
perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg
Yep.
is
And
a challenge.
It's exactly, you'll get exactly this. There won't be any green.
Yeah, the
It'll be
green
perfect.
there's like nothing
That's
less
sulfur
appetizing
flavor.
to me.